Here's 3 things we think about before building a mobile app, and this is from the perspective of a software development agency. If you're new here, my name is Muso. I co-found Fabrica, a software development agency that helps entrepreneurs like you build great software. Step 1 is ideate. Before you start building software, you need to make sure that you have a clear idea. Not a perfect idea, a clear idea. Build fast and break things only works when you're the one that's doing the building, and if you're not doing the building, it is going to be very expensive for you and difficult for you if you don't have a clear idea. Our recommendation here is get a clear idea before you start building, and that avoids scope creep. The second thing we think about before we start building software is tech stack. Understand if your software idea lives or dies by one API or by one external tool or connection that you need to have to make that software work. If that's the case, then you need to think about alternatives. The fastest way to kill an idea and momentum in a project is if you have to either build your own API or external connection, or if you have only access to brittle ones that don't work very well. So if your tech stack includes external connections or APIs that are not well known or that don't function well, then rethink your idea. And a good way to test that is by vibe coding your idea and seeing if the API works in your vibe coder product. And the third step that we recommend is start building in public. From day one, share your ideas online publicly so that you can start to gain traction as you're building your product. This at a later date will help you generate traction for your business and help you get customers. And with building in public, you don't have to have a polished or finished product to do that. People care about the stories. People want to understand what you're doing early on. And we've seen founders have a lot of success by building in public early and shipping their product ideas often. And if you do these 3 things early, the rest of it should flow in naturally. Let me know if you like that and follow for more.